Resetting the service on an older BMW, such as my 99 E46 or an older 5 Series or 7 Series, you need a special tool. The tool looks like this right here. It has a button for inspection and oil, and it has an on-off button. It has two different adapters, one for older vehicles, which is actually this side, and one for newer vehicles, which is this side. And basically what this is going to do is provide a ground to some of the pins responsible for resetting the service. Now you need to use this connector, so you're going to have to find the circle connector on your vehicle. On my E46 it's on the passenger side in this well. Open up this cap. You know, it's interesting also, if this cap is left off, you will not pass emissions because the OBD2 won't be able to be read. So always make sure to put this cap back on. You can see this circle part right there. That has a specific key. So basically you would just have to line it up so that it fits into that spot. Push it in. It's already lit because my key is on. And actually it just did a reset because I left it on, which is fine. Let me get this thing to focus. There we go. Alright, so oil. If I need to reset my oil, I would leave it on oil. You go ahead and turn it on. The light turns on. Basically it's providing a temporary ground. When the light's off, it's reset. Same thing for inspection. So switch it to inspection if that's the service you need, and then you basically just turn this on. It provides a ground and does the reset. And when the light's off, it should be reset. Now you could actually run your own jumper wire to ground, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend that because these pins can be a little bit confusing when you're trying to read the pin number. So I would recommend that tool. It is actually a great thing to have, especially if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you like to do all of the services yourself on an older BMW. This tool, which doesn't cost that much, I think I maybe pay $20 or $30 for this tool. There's going to be different versions out there, but definitely something that everybody should have that has this style jumper for their BMW. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.